umcimbi kaBavumile to welcome Bavumile to his ancestors kubuka amabandla has finally happened, guys. So wenzekile umcimbi, it's finally done. So ingane bafethu sekungcono about the breathing situations and everything, because if you remember well, Bavumile had breathing problems, you understand? So the more he got sick was the more he had to be introduced to the right father, of which was uHlathi. So the ceremony was finally done, and umntwana usebuyile esibhedlela. Now things are a bit easy between Lazarus noZoleka, you understand? Because uZoleka still wants Lazarus to be the father of uBavumile. Khusela bafethu kushubile, they have been, or should I say, bafuna u55 million. Capital Bank wants 55 million from Ikhusela, I mean, because remember guys, there was a breach in ZOC in about Dice, you understand? So they're still resolving that issue. And then I want to beast CEO, Miss CEO, Miss Big H, is back lapana to resolve this issue, because obviously she is also a CEO, so she also has a role to play regarding the situation, because the Capital Bank Bafetu was actually demanding from Ikhusela ukuthi ibasindise bona, yabona. Khusela has to save, has to rescue Capital Bank, you understand? And now Capital Bank is leaving every blame to Ikhusela, and Ikhusela has tried everything and stopped the breach, at least, you understand? But what Capital Bank is actually demanding from Ikhusela, Khusela won't give. So Zolega was like, I leave that man to me. Uzomsota yena. Bafethu ngalena kamabandla kuyabheda. These two recently got married. Hlathi ubefuna ingane kuThumeka. Thumeka was kinda rejecting this offer kaHlathi, you understand? And uHlathi seems kinda happy about the ceremony ukuthi how Bavumile is finally his child. He's gonna be welcoming another child into her family and whatsoever. But Thumeka akayizwa into lena. Thumeka is feeling betrayed. Talenti yenziwa uZoleka, thinking ukuthi uHlathi cheated after the wedding, but it was not the case. So uThumeka had to ask uHlathi ukuthi, okay, what's our plan? Ubuthe ufuna ingane. Eyethu thina senza nini? When are we making our own child? Because manje you went to uZoleka and you made uBavumile through uZoleka. So when are we actually making our own child? When are we actually like having our own child, you understand? Like, can we go back to our plan? Because that was their initial plan. Okay, finally they're gonna have a baby. But then the Bavumile situation had to come through and intercept their plans. Shubile ngalena bafethu. Ukhusela ke yabona ke nje umama nobaba basebenzisana, they were a team, you understand? So uZoleka won't back down. Yabo, fighting not to actually bend down to the blame abanikezwe Capital Bank, you understand? So this guy, Mr. Mvala, the CEO of the Capital Bank, is bleeding money for grants, because Capital Bank, I think, basically is for abantu be grants and people who are actually not that stable enough, you understand? Abantu be grant, people who aren't really like that level, you understand? So these guys, njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni guys, yabona, there was a 55 million kinda thing efunwa iCapital Bank from Ikhusela. Guys, this thing is too serious for me, I won't lie, yabona. This guy at Capital Bank has to chill for a bit. On the other side, bafethu Thumeka is venting to usiswakhe. Thumeka is venting to usiswakhe. Thumeka feels betrayed, yabona. She's asking herself, how can uZoleka do this to her? How can uZoleka do this to her as usiswakhe, guys? These people are sisters, you understand? And manje, uHlathi is the father of Bavumile, and apparently uZoleka is the mother. But uZoleka doesn't want uHlathi to be the father. Instead, uZoleka wants uLazarus to be the father. So usiswakhe uThumeka mchazela ukuthi, no man, this baby was made long before you guys got married, yabo. It's not ukuthi uHlathi went on to shit. But well, let's cut lesana before these guys even resolved things and got married again. Yabona, umenza I understand ukuthi no man, these people found each other again before the marriage thing, before the whole marriage thing and the whole reconciling of the family thing happened. Not ukuthi uHlathi uchithile, we understand. So obviously uHlathi is the father of the baby, yabo. Ngalena ke bafethu ke uZoleka ke No, Lazarus. Uzoleka is forcing herself into work, but Lazarus keeps on reminding her, no, we live when, and I know Onga's they're gonna fix things. But now the issue is, Lazarus still has to tell his father the truth. He is not the biological father of Ubavumile. And Lazarus now is concerned with how will he do it. We understand he's gonna do it sooner or later, but the problem is, how is he gonna do it? That's his main problem. Now he has to reveal the truth to the whole family. And besakhuluma ke noZoleka ke uZoleka also agrees with the situation ukuthi kumele akukhulume fast. UNonceba had to intercept and call. Nonceba usisi kaLazarus wants to know the truth too. Ngale naye bafethu uHlathi is pressurized by umndeni nakhe othulana ukuthi hey mfethu, do the right thing, go to Home Affairs, shintshe isibongo sikaBavumile to Mabandla. Bamtshela uHlathi la ukuthi wena hambe Home Affairs, shintshe isibongo, even involve the lawyers if you want to involve the lawyers. uHlathi uthi don't involve the lawyers. Mina, I'm gonna do it my way. I'm gonna do it ngendlela yami. I have to do the right things, you understand, but don't involve lawyers. Ingane eyakhe. So they are pressing him to go get an affidavit. We understand that all these are legal papers that are gonna actually register uHlathi as the father of the baby, along with uZoleka as the mother of the baby, because uHlathi really believes, and vele it's obvious that he's the father of the baby, so he wants to do things the right way. Hey, hey, this Capital Bank guy needs to chill for real. He was forced to do a PR stunt live on television and speak well about the Capital Bank and the grant that they're giving people. Which is kind of crazy, you understand that, because uZoleka is very intelligent. uZoleka isn't bowing down to a Capital Bank. She isn't going down without a fight. And Ongage on the other side was very impressed. So Lazarus ukuthi, I think why you actually held on to keeping uZoleka like Khoselathek, and we actually see and acknowledge why you actually hired uZoleka as a CEO of Khoselathek, because she's very powerful, this woman. She's very clever. To force people to do a PR stunt is crazy. But Mawe too he's not feeling really good by all these things. But the boy is gonna be okay. Sydney also watched the PR live on television. It was a podcast, some type of thing, because obviously Bafethu Manazo Sydney was actually fired as a CIO like Ekusel. Taki comes through and Taki is complaining with Haibo. All my work actually went to waste, you understand? She was the one who actually initiated the grant payments and everything, but at the same time it's like they stole her idea and she's not even benefiting from it. So she's kind of actually like concerned and worried about everything. While Lucy on the other side is still working, he's still on the works to actually keep Khusela down. And by the looks of it, I don't think Khusela is gonna go down anytime soon, because uZoleka is returning and Lazarus, Onga, these new guys are actually like doing things on the way, and like Sydney wants Khusela down. She mustn't tell anyone about the plan that they have been doing. Nonceba finally arrives, and Nonceba is aware about the secret that Lazarus has been keeping of him not being the biological father of Ubavumile. And Nonceba is very, very, very worried. She's very stressed about Lazarus, you understand? So she is questioning ukuthi hayibo, manje ubaba uzomtshela nini their dad? When is their dad going to know? You understand? And Lazarus is begging Nonceba ukuthi, please just keep things down, yabona. Keep things down. I think the guy doesn't want the truth to be exposed quickly, but he's gonna expose himself true. So Nonceba, I think, is gonna save his bro, not tell anyone. Let's see. So Mr. Mvala Capital Bank again meets Sydney. Sydney is kind of happy about Mr. Mvala's failure, understand that, because Mr. Mvala was forced to do a PR live on television about the Capital Bank and how it should operate, along with positivity about the grant and the people who are actually not really stable about the monies. So Mvala, it's not really going good, you understand that, because he's the CEO, but things are not turning out good for him because Khusela has him on his neck and Khusela isn't willing to actually save him. And I think Sydney would want to work with Mr. Mfara to take down Khusela. Let's hope Mr. Mfara does not get the bad influence coming from Sydney. Ngalena yabafethu kuhlangenwe-ke inxushunxushu emndeni. Hlathi approached uZoleka noLazarus wabatshela ukuthi ufuna ingane yakhe yena and ufuna ingane yakhe ibe ngowababandla, meaning ukuthi he wants Bavumile to be umabandla. And uHlathi ubeke wacaca ukuthi no man, uBavumile is my seed, meaning ukuthi Bavumile is his child, you understand? There's no other person who can take care of Bavumile besides him because he is the father of uBavumile. So uHlathi ke bafethu ufuna uBavumile, he wants to do the right thing, taking the child to Home Affairs, changing the surname to Mabandla and everything. So leka ke yanqaba uthi hayi uyena ubaba wengane Lazarus. Uyena ubaba wengane Lazarus, you understand? As you can see bafethu lapha Lazarus usukumile ke wamqonda hey impi yamadoda ayipheli lana ngiyakutshela wena bangani ukuthi ubani ubaba wengane ke manje. Lazarus he had to stand up and ask uHlathi ukuthi if wena singafuni ukuthi sikunike ingane, what are you gonna do? Uzowenzani? Because uBavumile ingane yakhe uLazarus. Ngapha uHlathi is like hayibo uyangichallenge yini mfo? Hayi no. Umbuzo usimple, uzokwenzani pho wena manguthi ingane asikunikeze na, because yena there are now family banozoleka noBavumile, you understand, and nothing is gonna change about that. And uLazarus made it clear ukuthi angeke navumela uHlathi ukuthi angene emndenini wakhe. He's gonna do everything and anything to protect his family. This thing is actually tricky because uHlathi is the father of the child, understand? And uHlathi noZoleka are done, but uZoleka is telling uHlathi ukuthi hayibo ubuyele emndenini wakho wena usushadile noThumeka, move on. Nami sengimove onile, you can't be the father of the child. Siyabonga ukuthi wenzele umcimbi but ke you are not the father of the child. Lazarus is still the father of the child. Hey yo guys, you let me know what's gonna happen next on Inemba, but don't miss out. Every day bafethu, Monday to Friday 9 o'clock Mzansi Magic. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe bafethu. Ngiyabonga, danke, ngiyanithanda.